San Juan, Batangas offers a variety of activities catering to diverse interests, emphasizing benefits like relaxation, adventures, and culture immersion in its promotional efforts. The tourism industry thrives on collaboration between public and private sectors, which is vital in delivering exceptional customer experiences. The local government unit has fostered vital partnerships to enhance the tourism industry, leveraging expertise, resources, and networks to promote sustainable tourism development and enhance visitor experiences.
Agisan ng galing ang ilang grupo ng kabataan sa street dance competition at grand showdown sa Lambayok Festival sa San Juan, Batangas.
San Juan's cultural and religious traditions, intertwined with its historical landmarks, are integral to its identity and heritage, vital in shaping its present and its future. The municipality enforces ordinances and conduct activities such as marine ecosystem preservation, mangrove and tree planting, coastal cleanups, and solid waste management to mitigate climate change impacts. The town's excellent transportation and infrastructure provide easy access by road from major cities. The Tourism Office collaborated closely with multiple government agencies and bolstered tourism safety and security. It can also offer a diverse array of tourist services and experiences, encompassing the 5 key components of tourism development: accommodation, accessibility, amenities, attraction, and activities.
Participation ho ng buong citizenry ng bayan ng San Juan.
With the 100% support of all the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Octavio Antonio Lizaso Marasigan and of the local Chief Executive, Honorable Ildebrando Danyas Salud, it will always be a wonderful San Juan.